XAI just dropped a bombshell. Their new Grok 4 fast model delivers nearly the same brainpower as their flagship at a fraction of the cost, slashing bills by up to 98%. At the same time, Meta's futuristic glasses put a glowing display right in your eye, and YouTube unveiled powerful AI tools for creators. Let's dive into how these breakthroughs are reshaping tech right now. The world of artificial intelligence and smart technology just shifted in a single week. XAI, Meta, and YouTube each unveiled updates that could change how we work, play, and create content. At the center of it all stands XAI's brand new model, Grok 4 Fast. This release is more than a routine upgrade. It is a bold attempt to make high-level reasoning affordable for everyone. Grok 4 Fast promises thinking power close to the company's top model, Grok 4, while cutting the price by an eye-popping 98%. It does this by using about 40% fewer reasoning steps, which means faster responses and lower costs for anyone who relies on AI every day. Independent tests already rank its performance-to-speed ratio ahead of heavyweights like GPT 4.1, Gemini 2.5, and Claude 4 with extended reasoning. For businesses or creators watching their budgets, that is a dramatic shift. Performance numbers back up the hype. In reasoning and math challenges, Grok 4 Fast scores nearly identical to Grok 4, and even pulls ahead in some cases. Coding ability remains solid, but the real surprise comes from how well it uses tools. During a live demonstration, the model automatically decided when to run code, browse the web, and jump between links. It even hunted down the exact total experience points needed to reach level 100 in the game path of Exile 2, cross-checking multiple sources before giving a final answer. That kind of autonomous search is what many people imagine when they hear the term AI agent, and XAI has made it a default skill rather than an experimental feature. Day-to-day use shows off its versatility. Grok 4 Fast can fire back quick answers to simple questions or switch into deep reasoning for complex research without changing models. This one brain, two modes design cuts lag and avoids wasting tokens. Its enormous 2 million token context window means it can handle very long chats, large legal documents, or multi-file research projects without losing the thread. For anyone who has struggled with chopped up conversations or memory limits, that is a welcome upgrade. Access is simple. Grok 4 Fast is live right now on Grok.com and inside XAI's iOS and Android apps. Developers can tap into it through the XAI API in two versions, a reasoning mode and a non-reasoning mode, both with the same giant memory window. Pricing starts at just 20 cents per million input tokens and 50 cents per million output tokens. Below 120,000 tokens, the rate drops even lower, while heavy users can still expect costs far below competing models. Live search inside the API is billed per 1,000 sources, and for a limited time, the model is free to try through OpenRouter and Versal's AI Gateway. While XAI steals the spotlight, Meta is pushing hardware forward. Its new Ray-Ban display smart glasses finally bring a true heads-up display to consumers in the United States. Launching at $800, the glasses pair with Meta's Neuralband wrist device, which reads tiny muscle signals in your hand. A simple pinch becomes a click, a thumb swipe scrolls a page, and a pinch and twist controls volume or zoom. Because all gestures work even when your arm is relaxed at your side, the interaction feels natural, almost invisible. The display itself is small but striking. A translucent 600 by 600 pixel window visible only to your right eye, covering about 20 degrees of view. It shows the time, notifications, and quick app shortcuts like a smartwatch floating in space. Haptic feedback confirms each gesture so you know when a command lands. Early testers say the wristband's gesture detection is rock solid, though the glasses sometimes lag due to the first-generation Snapdragon AR1 chip inside. Meta plans a December firmware update that will add finger trace text entry, literally drawing letters on your leg, which reviewers say already works surprisingly well. Longer use of Meta's new glasses does reveal a few rough edges. Because the heads-up display sits only in the right eye, some people may feel mild strain after extended sessions. The design works best for quick glances at maps, notifications, or a fast reply, not for watching videos or holding long calls. A binocular version with a display for both eyes and full eye tracking could fix that issue but would also increase the weight and price. Experts estimate a dual eye model with current technology would weigh around 85 grams and cost more than $1,200. For now, Meta has chosen a lighter, more affordable path, and that makes sense for a first step into mainstream augmented reality. While Meta experiments with hardware, YouTube is busy arming creators with new AI tools. The company's latest Made on YouTube updates are designed to simplify everything from brainstorming to publishing. Inside YouTube Studio, a new inspiration tab suggests trending topics based on audience interests, helping creators plan videos that have a better chance to connect. Title A/B testing is now built in, so a creator can upload 2 different headlines and see which one performs better without running separate experiments. Another highlight is auto-dubbing with lip-sync translations. A creator can upload a single video, and YouTube's AI will produce versions in other languages while matching mouth movements closely enough to feel natural. To protect creators' rights, YouTube has opened its likeness detection feature to more users. This tool scans the platform for videos that use a person's face without permission and gives them the power to flag or remove those clips. Collaboration is easier too. Up to 5 creators can now publish the same video across their own channels at once. This shared posting means one project can reach several audiences without complicated scheduling or re-uploading. YouTube Live also gets a boost. Hosts can run mini-games during streams to keep viewers engaged, broadcast in both horizontal and vertical formats at the same time, and let AI automatically clip highlights into short videos ready for sharing. Even monetization is getting smarter. New shopping features allow automatic timestamps for product mentions. If a video shows or talks about an item, YouTube's system can place a product tag at the exact moment it appears. Brands can also sponsor videos after they have already been published, while a new partnerships hub suggests creator brand matches, taking some guesswork out of deals. The week's final headline comes from China, where DeepSeek introduced a special safe variant of its R1 model. This version was retrained by Huawei and Zhejiang University to meet strict national guidelines on political speech. Their team used 1,000 Ascend AI chips to fine-tune the open-source model, claiming nearly perfect avoidance of politically sensitive topics in everyday chats. Under tougher stress tests, success rates drop, but the goal is clear. Create an AI that fits local cultural and political standards. This trend is not limited to China. Saudi Arabia has launched an Arabic native chatbot focused on Islamic culture and heritage. In the United States, government contracts now require AI models that interact with federal agencies to stay politically neutral by law. Around the world, countries are shaping AI to match their own values, and developers are responding with region-specific models and safety layers. Together, these stories show how fast technology is moving. From XAI's low-cost reasoning engine to Meta's futuristic eyewear, from YouTube's creator upgrades to governments fine-tuning their own AI tools, the landscape is changing almost daily. Whether you build software, make videos, or just love gadgets, these updates signal a future where smart machines are cheaper, more capable, and more closely tied to the culture around them. These rapid changes highlight a bigger truth about technology today. Artificial intelligence is no longer a slow, expensive experiment. With XAI proving that top-tier reasoning can be both powerful and affordable, the barrier to advanced AI keeps dropping. Companies of every size can now tap into tools that were once reserved for giant tech labs, whether they need deep research, complex problem-solving, or instant answers. On the hardware side, Meta's glasses hint at a future where digital information blends into daily life. The small, bright display may start with simple notifications, but it points toward a world where directions, messages, and creative tools float naturally in front of us. When combined with gesture control from the Neuralband, it feels like a quiet step toward true augmented reality. And for creators, YouTube's new AI features reduce the heavy lifting of running a channel. From instant translations to automatic product tagging and smart editing tools, these upgrades give storytellers more time to focus on ideas instead of tedious tasks. The message is clear. AI is cheaper, faster, and more personal than ever before. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the week's biggest tech updates, tap like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more deep dives into the next wave of innovation.